Hey everyone, glad you're here. So today this video is us talking about Facebook Blueprint. So with the Facebook Blueprint, I'm going to show you how you can learn basic beginners Facebook ads. So if you think about having Facebook ads for your business, I think you're at the right place because I'm going to show you step by step for beginners how you can get started with Facebook's ads and for you to understand it. So we're gonna go over three keys that I think you should know, what is understanding what page promos are and the benefits to your business. Two is going to learn the right page promo for your business goals. And the third one's going to be creating the Facebook promos for your business or your business page or your Facebook page. So I'm going to share my screen and show you the graph and make it easy for you to learn step by step. And if you watch the video for the first time and you don't get it, you can always go back and watch the video again and do it that way. So I'm going to share my screen so we can here we go. So we starting here is introduction to page promos, which is the Facebook blueprint. So here are the lessons we'll go over. And this point is the start. This way your starting point is what are page promos. So as you see the screen here, it goes over it. Your page promos are Facebook ads you create directly from your business page in contrast to ads you create. So as you see here, it shows on your mobile phone. These are the ads. So as you show them on Facebook or Instagram, things like that, this is what the page promos will look like based on what type you choose. Website, promo page, or events. And the difference is actually, I'm not gonna go too fast. Let's slow it down. So let's go to the next option. Here are why run page promos. Here it tells you here um, promo call to action, which is this one. It's an action. This one's to promote your local business, get direction to your business. So you're a restaurant, something like that. You want people to go to it, get foot traffic. You get directions. They take you straight there. And this one is the boost post. So it just talk about your business, and you can get likes, comments, and things like that. And that's more of a boost post that really not directing the customer to your business directly, but just bringing awareness to your business. And so then let's go here. So here are your future page promos. Create a ad quickly, and it tells you here. Create an ad yourself using the image or video and text that you choose, or when possible, you will pull an image or video and text from your page to create an ad for your business. So here we go. Next one is find the right audience. As you see here, how you start to do search. So one great thing about the Facebook ads is that it actually you choose where you want to who is your customer. So you got to know your customer, your business, and with Facebook ads, you can target them and send only those people your ads. So and this is how you do it. You go here and it breaks it down based on gender, age, location, things like that. And you can go even deeper with that. So it just gives you a section here where you can find that. And then we can go then we can go to the next option here. Let me okay. Reach people where they are. So just give you the option here is where you want to send the ads. You can send it to your desktop, your news feeds, or your right column. So different options where you want to showcase the ads. Here is you choose exactly your promotions and your budget, how much you want to put out there for your budget based on your ads. You want to, choose your amount. You put your budget, your daily budget, $10. How long the duration you want to be? You want it for 7 days, 14 days, 28 days, things like that. So that's how long you want the ad to run. Next is manage ads on the go. So here you can launch and manage your page from your home or your mobile phone. So you can manage your ads and see the analytics and things like that, how it's going right from your phone or your laptop, desktop, iPad. Here is the performance. So this is what you'll be looking at on your device. How many people went to the page, how many views, did people click on the ads, things like that. So here are the next section. There are several types of page promos. So we're gonna go through them. Here are a boost, a post. So this one option you choose, and this one is set up to get more people to see and engage with your page posts. And so the engagement is a sign up option, image, your information, and then say, hey, sign up. So the next one is the boost an event. So with the event, it say, hey, I'm interesting button, the titles, some information, the picture, and they put the image because it's an event. Here is to promote your page, and hit the like button that add promotions to your page. So that's an option there. This one here is promote your call to action. So which is a button, this button right here, send a message. So if that's the action you want the person to go to, then this action you select with some information. So you promote your location. So if you want someone to go to your location, your restaurant, your shop, your store, things like that, you can put a direction button right here, and it will actually go, your customers see the ad, oh, this is great, and they can push the direction button to encourage people to go. That's within your scope. Here, you want people to go to your website, and say your restaurant, and you put your food menu. Your restaurant, you want people, hey, I want to try out to see what kind of food they have. A person will see the menu button and push it. So that's part of the ad. Automated ad here. You continually promote your businesses. So after you choose one of those and you want to continue to promote, here are promos. So just to get like a like button, you want somebody to like your business, something like that, just to get some promotion. This one right there, and this one is to get more leads. So if you want people to sign up, and these right here is after you go through the top one. So you choose the top one, you want to send people to your business, you want them to click a button, you want them to contact you, things like that. And then these are the ones after that. Here are another section of it. So choose the type of ad that relates to your business. So here the question here. So are you just starting out advertising on Facebook and want to increase the number of people who follow your page? And then they give you suggestions here, where you will for right here. So these are the suggestions they're giving you based on your question. So if this is what you're looking for, it tells you, hey, do the boost post or promote page, which is the boost post and then promote your page. And these the options here that they say you should choose. Here it asks, are you trying to build awareness of your business and products or service and reach more people and give you the recommendations? Boost post, boost event, promote your local business, and promote your pages. So local business, promote, so it just kind of give you the rundown of what call to actions you should choose, what options they think you should go with based on. Here is, are you trying to generate leads for a new customer? And they give you your options here. Do you want to increase or consider your products and services among people already aware of them? And then they give you your suggestions. This one is, do you want to increase online sales? And it tells you, hey, do the website visits. So, which is this one. So it give you a rundown. Here it tells you how to get started. So it breaks down, get started. create your page. You choose one you want. If it's a business or brand, community or public figure, you choose one you like, which one that represents your business or who you are. And then this is the page that you set up. And then you go with the process here, just adding your payments. And then you go to different steps. You hit promo, and promo is going to take you to where we just came from. And here it just tell you the different sections. Choose a type, your page, add your creativity, create your audience, choose who you're targeting by age, location, interest, geographic information. So choose your budget, how long. So, this is just a rundown. I just wanted to, show you guys how you can get started with Facebook ads, and which is right here. What I'm going to do is put this link in the description for you so you can go through it and check out yourself. So that's it, you guys. Just a quick video on just showing you guys how to get started. So it's like a Facebook ad blueprint for beginners. If you want to do Facebook ads and you're not understanding it, you want to start somewhere, here's where you start. And then there is another level, which later on I will do another video on advanced and actually go through the steps of showing you how you can do it for more advanced, go on more details, and go on more details about how you can get going with Facebook ads. You can put the Facebook ads. Also, they have Instagram, which also shows part of their house. And that's it, you guys. This is a great video for you for beginners. Facebook, can't even speak, man. But thank you guys for coming, checking out the video, like and subscribe. Into the next video. All right.